Hello, burger enthusiasts. Welcome to our delightful kitchen where today, we're embarking on a culinary journey to create a masterpiece. Today, we're making a copycat in-and-out burger, right in your own kitchen. Imagine the aroma of sizzling beef, the crunch of fresh lettuce, and the tangy burst of their secret spread. In-N-Out is legendary for its simple, fresh, made-to-order burgers that people line up for on the West Coast. The lines are long, but the wait is always worth it. The secret? Quality ingredients, a juicy beef patty, melty cheese, crisp lettuce, tomato, and their famous spread, all in a soft, toasted bun. Each bite is a symphony of flavors and textures. We're going to capture that magic at home, step by step. From selecting the freshest produce to perfectly grilling the patty, we'll guide you through every detail. Gather your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this cracking good burger adventure. You'll need fresh ground beef, crisp lettuce, ripe tomatoes, and of course, the secret spread. By the end, you'll have a burger so good, you'll want to shout, "Cheese grommet!" Let's dive in and make this burger a reality. Ready, set, cook. Every great burger starts with the right ingredients, and today, we're going to make sure you have everything you need to build a burger that's truly mouth-watering. Before you even think about firing up the stove, let's gather all the bits and bobs that will make your burger shine. Preparation is key, and having everything laid out in front of you will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Start with ground chuck. Look for an 80-20 blend for the perfect balance of juiciness and flavor. Pair that with soft, pillowy hamburger buns that will cradle your patty and toppings just right. The bun is just as important as the meat, so don't skimp on quality here. Next, gather crisp iceberg lettuce for crunch, a fresh onion for a bit of bite, and a ripe, juicy tomato to add a burst of freshness. Slice your veggies thinly so they layer perfectly, and don't overpower the burger. Don't forget the cheese. Classic American cheese slices are a must for that melty, creamy texture. For the secret sauce, you'll need mayonnaise, ketchup, and sweet pickle relish. These ingredients come together to create that iconic, tangy flavor that takes your burger to the next level. Add a splash of white vinegar to the sauce for a little zing. It brightens up all the flavors and gives your sauce a subtle kick. A pinch of sugar balances out the acidity and brings a gentle sweetness to the mix, making the sauce irresistible. If you can't find sweet pickle relish, don't worry, just finely chop up some gherkins or pickles. This little swap keeps things simple and still delivers that classic flavor. For cooking, you'll need a sturdy frying pan or a flat griddle. Either works great for getting that perfect sear on your burger patties. Make sure you have a spatula for flipping and a sharp knife for slicing your veggies and buns with precision. You'll also want a small bowl for mixing up your secret sauce. Having everything in one place makes assembly a breeze. No need for fancy gadgets or complicated equipment. Just simple, reliable kitchen tools are all you need to make a burger that's truly special. With all your ingredients and tools ready to go, you're set up for burger success. Now, let's dive in and start by mixing up that legendary sauce. Get ready to create something delicious. The in-and-out spread is what sets this burger apart. In a bowl, mix half a cup of mayo, 2 to 3 tablespoons ketchup, 2 tablespoons sweet pickle relish, a teaspoon of white vinegar, and a pinch of sugar. Stir until smooth and pinkish. Taste and adjust to your liking. Tangier or sweeter, it's up to you. Cover and chill for at least 30 minutes to let the flavors meld. This sauce is the glue that brings the whole burger together. Now onto the star, the patty. It's finally time for the beef, the heart and soul of any great burger. The journey to the perfect patty starts with choosing quality ground chuck, ideally with a fat content of around 20%. This fat is what gives your burger that juicy, flavorful bite we all crave. Begin by dividing your ground chuck into 3 per 4-ounce balls. This size is ideal for a classic burger. Big enough for a satisfying bite, but not so thick that it won't cook evenly. Gently roll each ball between your palms, then flatten them between sheets of baking paper. Aim for patties about 1/4 inch thick. Thin patties are key for that signature diner-style burger, giving you those irresistible crispy edges and a tender center. Don't forget to season both sides generously with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. This simple seasoning brings out the natural beefy flavor and creates a delicious crust as the patties cook. Preheat your pan or griddle over medium-high heat. Add just a touch of oil to prevent sticking, then carefully place your patties on the hot surface. You should hear a satisfying sizzle right away. Sear the patties for 2 to 3 minutes without moving them. This helps develop those golden, crispy edges and locks in the juices. Once you see the edges turning brown and crispy, it's time to flip. If you're a fan of extra flavor, now's the perfect moment to toss some chopped onions onto the pan. Let them grill alongside your patties for a sweet caramelized touch. After flipping, cook the patties for just another minute or 2. Because they're thin, they'll finish quickly, so keep an eye on them to avoid overcooking. The goal is a juicy, flavorful patty with a slightly pink center. Avoid pressing down on the patties, as this squeezes out those precious juices. Once your patties are cooked to perfection, it's time for the finishing touches. Toast your buns until golden and warm, and add a slice of cheese to each patty so it melts beautifully. Now you're ready to build the ultimate burger. Split your buns and lightly butter the cut sides for extra flavor. Toast them in the same pan until golden and crisp, making sure not to burn them. After flipping your patties, top each one with a slice of American cheese. For extra melt, add a splash of water to the pan and cover for 30 seconds to steam. Remove the buns and cheesy patties from the heat once they're ready. Now all the components are ready for assembly. Let's build this delicious masterpiece together. Start with the toasted bottom bun and spread on a generous layer of secret sauce. Add fresh onion rings, a crisp lettuce leaf, and a juicy tomato slice. Place your hot, cheesy patty on top. For a double-double, stack a second patty. Want it animal style? Add grilled onions and pickles now. Top with more sauce on the upper bun. Gently press the top bun onto your stack. There it is. A homemade in-and-out burger, tall and proud. The aroma is irresistible, and you've built it from scratch. Ready for the best part? Let's taste. Time to enjoy your masterpiece? Serve immediately while it's hot and juicy, maybe with crispy fries and a cold drink or milkshake for the full experience. Wrap your burger in parchment for that authentic touch. Take a big bite toasted bun, juicy patty, melty cheese, tangy sauce, and fresh veggies. It's a flavor symphony. You'll be amazed how close it tastes to the real thing, maybe even better. Share with friends or family and savor your homemade California classic. Happy cooking and bon appetit.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.